Affordable, fuel-efficient and spacious. The Maruti Dzire base model has been a go-to choice for many. But here's the real question. Does the entry-level variant truly give you value for your money, or are you better off with an upgrade? Let's find out. The Maruti Dzire has long dominated the compact sedan market in India. Renowned for its practicality and efficiency, it's a car that appeals to families, professionals and first-time buyers alike. But today, we are going deeper into the base model, unpacking its strengths, weaknesses and whether it's the right pick for you. Stay tuned till the end because we'll reveal if this model saves you money in the long run or ends up costing you more. Let's start with the features. The Dzire base model comes with a 1197cc petrol engine delivering 80 bhp and 111.7 Nm of torque, perfect for city commutes. It's paired with a smooth 5-speed manual transmission and boasts a stellar mileage of 24.79 km per litre certified by ARAI. Inside, you'll find practical touches like rear AC vents, parking sensors and keyless entry. The boot space? A generous 382 litres, perfect for a weekend trip. Now let's talk pros. First, the fuel efficiency. This sedan is a wallet-friendly option, especially for those long daily commutes. Second, space. The rear legroom is impressive for a car in this segment and your passengers will thank you for it. Third, safety. With a 5-star global NCAP rating, ABS, EBD and airbags as standard, Maruti ensures you're covered on the safety front. Finally, the Dzire's ride quality is smooth, handling bumps and potholes effortlessly. But it's not all roses. The engine, while refined for city use, feels underwhelming on highways, especially during overtakes. The suspension, though decent, can feel stiff on poorly maintained roads, making longer journeys less comfortable. And let's not forget, it's a base model. You won't get those fancy features like leather upholstery, a sunroof, or advanced infotainment. If tech and comfort are priorities, you might find this variant lacking. Real-world mileage sits around 15 to 16 km per litre in mixed driving conditions, not far off from the claimed numbers. Maintenance costs for the Dzire are competitive, averaging Rs 4,000 to 5,000 annually, making it a budget-friendly option in the long run. But here's the catch. Upgrading to a higher variant may save you more inconvenience and comfort over time, especially if you're clocking long highway miles or want a better equipped cabin. So, who's the base model for? If you're budget conscious, primarily drive in the city and don't care much about high-end features, this is your perfect match. But if you crave a more premium experience, consider the mid or top trims. They bring advanced infotainment, AMD options and additional creature comforts for just a bit more. To sum it up, the Dzire base model offers practicality, safety and unmatched efficiency at its price point. While it's no thrill seeker or luxury cruiser, it nails the basics. It's a solid option for families and first-time buyers, but it's not without its limitations. What's your take on the Maruti Dzire base model? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this review helpful, hit that like button, share it with your friends and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews. Until next time, happy driving!